How to copy text from a picture on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The iPhone Photos app is a built-in application that serves as a central hub for managing, editing, and sharing photos and videos. It allows users to view, organize, and interact with their media library. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here to view it. If you want to copy the text on this photo, then tap on the icon at the bottom right corner as shown. Now, select the text you want to copy and then tap on Copy. You have now successfully copied this text. Following these steps, you can easily copy text from a picture on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.